This is a QGIS project. We'll see how to add vector line data in this project. This vector line data is created by someone and we are adding in the project. So we are using readily available vector line data. Vector line data is available in shapefile. So we are going to add .shp file. When you add any vector line data or any other vector point or vector polygon data, you have to be sure that you are adding that data from the unzipped folder. If you are adding the data from zipped folder, then it will not allow you to edit that vector layer. So let us first add vector line data from the files which are available. Now as you can see, this folder Gujarat Highway is in vector line data folder, and Gujarat Highway folder is an unzipped folder. So it will allow you to edit the shapefile after you add vector line data into project. But if you are adding this file from unzipped file, from zipped file, it will not allow you to edit. So make sure that you are using .shapefile from the unzipped folder. Click on close. So this is how we can add vector line data. Now I want to edit this layer. I want to add new data in this layer. So I have clicked on toggle editing button. As soon as you click on toggle editing button, this add line feature option will be enabled. You can click here and you can add a new line by plotting the dots. So click and move, then click, move further, click and move further. This is how we can plot the line. This process of plotting dots on the canvas is called digitization. So this is a new line that I am adding in this vector line data. Once you are done with the plotting, you can right click so that it will stop digitization and it will ask you to enter values for the fields which are related with this vector line data. This fields belongs to attribute table. So there are 4 fields: type, name, one way and lanes. You can add new record in this attribute table by providing the values. I am adding type as express. So this is a type of express highway. Name of this highway is National Express Highway 1. Whether it is one way or not, so it is not one way, so I am writing no. Number of lanes, you may enter number of lanes. Here I have entered 4. Click on OK. So this new line data is added in your vector file, and you can save this layer by clicking on save. So it is saving the project. Suppose we are saving this project with name project 1, and if you want to save edits which you have done in this file, then you can click on save layer edits. So now this line has been added. If you want to check, you can open attribute table. Now there are many records in this table. So you can search any record by clicking here on field filter. I want to search this on number of lanes because most of the values in number of lanes are null. So it will be easily available when you write number of lanes. So here you can see this is the record which we have added, and if you click here, then it will be displayed as highlighted, and these are the points which we have added, number of points 1 2 3 4 5 6 and so on. So this is how we can add a new vector line data. Once you are done with the editing, you can click on toggle editing. So now your editing mode is off, but still this line is selected. So if you want to deselect this line, then again you can click on you can click on attribute table, and this line is selected right now. So you can clear the selection by clicking on deselect all features. Click on close button. So now this is your vector line layer after editing is done. So this is how we can add new lines and we can add vector line data in the project.